solid 23 here. Digging up a lot of deep junk here. I just found a marble about 8 inches deep with a bunch of iron. A big piece of iron, 8 inches deep, man. There's a bunch of can slaw over here, so I've been just digging up the can slaw. I just dug in that permission right over there. Just a few minutes ago, I didn't find any silver, but I did find an old relic. Whatever this is deep, man. I'm gonna make a big plug here. I'm going all the way down. It could be a silver coin down there. Go deep, man. Come on, it should be right there. What's up with this pinpointer, man? This pinpointer just hating it, man. It should be right there. I don't trust that pinpointer any bit. That one's going back to the... Of course, the Simplex does not like my pink pinpointer too, so I don't know which one to use sometimes. It's got to be in the sidewall right here somewhere. Right in here somewhere. Gonna be deeper. Can see if I can hit it right there. Yeah, hitting a little bit. But I think this one's gonna be really deep, man. See if I can hit it now. Yeah, it's gonna be too deep. I'm just not sure about this one. I mean, the Simplex isn't going to hit a coin that deep. Right. It will hit a piece of iron that deep, but not a silver coin. I'm just not thinking so. But I'm going to keep on digging it just to see. There's a lot of deep iron here, though, too. No, it's huge. It's way, way down there. I can tell just by the tone that it's given me. It's a deep, deep piece of iron right there. Alrighty. Gotta pack that thing down, really smash it down really good. Smash it down really good. A little bit of foil here. I gotta dig up that foil, man. I don't know about this one. I think it's gonna be another big piece of iron. Reading really low. But it can't flaw. Man, my bag's full of iron already. It's getting heavy. Really heavy. Gotta dig those 18s, man, around these fountains here, around these splash pads. Man, you gotta dig that foil up, man. If you don't dig that foil up, man, you could be passing a gold ring, right? Or some foil right there. A little bit of foil. Man. $49. That's give me a pretty good number there. I like that. I usually don't look up my detector, but I'm just gonna start calling them out. 90 now. Now it's reading 90. It's probably a big piece of iron. Deep piece of iron, man. It could be right there. Something right there. A piece of wire or something? No. Snail. Right there. Square nail. Little stubby square nail. Okay. I was wrong. It wasn't a square nail. There was something else in there with that square nail. Could it be a coin? I'm sure hoping for a coin, man. I'm sure hoping for a coin. Because if a coin's in there with a square nail, yeah, you know what that means. It's Indian time, baby. It's Indian time. I got a beautiful 1888 Indian head penny yesterday. Oh man, it was just awesome. Just a beautiful, beautiful coin. Okay. It's deep, man. I might be having to abandon this hole because it might be another huge, deep piece of iron, man. I've been getting a lot of iron over here. I'm almost to it, so I'm gonna keep on going. I'm right on top of it. So it's coming out right now. Right here. Oh man, it could be something big. It could be something epic, man. You just never know. Could be something big too. Gary did find a really cool old car here though too. So I'm gonna, oh man, it's huge. Yeah, it's gonna be bigger than I want to dig it out. I don't know. I'll just try it here just for a minute. I'm interested in it. It's piquing my curiosity here. Right? I gotta see what it is, man. And the car that he found was epic, man. It was a steel car. It was a really old one, too. It was a big, giant one. He said it was just a few inches deep, too. So, he said it was just an overload. Just another one of those overloads, man, right there. It's coming out right there. Oh, dude. There's a buckle, man. Look at the size of that buckle, man. Oh, my, oh. Oh, dude. Dig those overloads, man. Oh, my Lord. Look at the size of that buckle. Oh, God, that's so beautiful. It even has the clasp on it and everything, too, man. Oh, that is a lovely buckle, man. Ah, you got to keep on going, man. You gotta keep on going. Look at that buckle. Oh, that is epic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.